Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Captain English. I am Jessica.
And I am Leo. Hello, friends. We are so happy to see you.
Leo, you look interesting today.
Interesting. Why?
You are wearing an old t-shirt. It has a hole in it.
Oh, yes. This is my favorite t-shirt. It is very comfortable.
But Leo, today is Saturday. We have a birthday party tonight.
Oh no, the party. I forgot.
You cannot go to the party in that old shirt. You look messy.
You are right, Jessica. I need new clothes.
Don't worry, Leo. I can help you. Today, we are going shopping.
Shopping for clothes? I usually hate shopping.
It will be fun. We will look at shirts, pants, and shoes.
Friends, do you like shopping or do you hate shopping?
Before we go to the store, please click the like button. Help Leo find good clothes.
And subscribe to Captain English. We need your help to reach 1 million subscribers.
Are you ready, Leo? Let's go to the shopping mall.
Jessica, wait. Before we go in, let's teach our friends the words we need.
Good idea. Shopping has special vocabulary.
First, we need to talk about sizes.
Yes, there are usually 3 main sizes: small, S, medium, M, large, L.
And if you are very big, you need extra large, XL.
I usually wear a small. What size are you, Leo?
I think I am a large or maybe a medium. I am not sure.
We will check in the store. We also need to talk about fitting rooms.
The fitting room, the small room where you try on the clothes.
Try on, an important verb. It means to put the clothes on your body to see if they fit.
And finally, price.
How much money does it cost? Is it cheap or expensive?
I like cheap clothes. I don't have much money.
Okay, let's go inside the store. Wow, Leo, look at this store. There are so many clothes.
There are too many clothes. I am confused. Where do we start?
Let's start with a shirt. For a party, you need a nice button-up shirt.
Okay, I see some shirts over there.
What color do you like?
I like blue. Blue is my favorite color.
Blue is safe. But look at this, a red shirt.
Whoa, very bright. Red?
Yes, energetic. I am here to party.
I'm shy. I prefer dark colors. Black or navy blue.
Here is a nice navy blue shirt. What do you think?
I like it. Looks smart.
But look at the pattern. It is striped.
Striped. You mean it has lines?
Yes, vertical stripes.
Do you like stripes?
Yes, they make you look tall and thin.
Okay, I'll take the striped shirt.
Wait, check the size.
This one says S. Small. Too small.
Here is an L, large.
Great. Let's hold it. Now pants.
I want jeans.
Jeans are good, but are they formal enough?
It's a birthday party, not a wedding. Jeans are fine.
Blue jeans or black jeans?
With a blue shirt, black jeans are better.
Good choice. Black and blue match well.
These jeans look strange.
Those are skinny jeans.
Tight.
Fashionable.
No thanks. I want regular fit.
Or baggy. Loose.
Not baggy. Normal.
Here is black jeans, size 32.
Perfect.
Do you need a belt?
To hold my pants up?
And stylish. Here's brown.
Brown with black?
You're right. Here, black belt.
Into the basket.
Leo, go try them on.
Okay,
How is it, Leo?
I have a problem.
What is it?
The shirt is too big, sleeves too long. I look like a ghost.
Okay, I'll get a medium. Here is a medium. Try it.
1 minute. Okay, coming out.
Wow, you look handsome.
Really?
Yes, perfect fit.
Feels comfortable. What about the jeans?
Good. A little long?
Yes.
Roll them up. Trendy.
I feel ready for the party.
Leo, your feet.
My old sneakers. Dirty.
You need shoes.
More shopping. My wallet is crying.
Just shoes.
Boots, sandals, formal shoes.
No boots, no sandals. Clean sneakers.
I like white sneakers.
Classic. Go with everything.
I think I'm size 10.
Try these.
Tight. My toes hurt.
Too small? Here is size 11.
Much better.
You look like a movie star.
Thank you. You are a good stylist.
Shirt, jeans, belt, shoes. Now the painful part.
What is painful?
Paying. Cash register.
Shirt is $20. Jeans, $40. Shoes, $30.
20 plus 40 equals 60, plus 30 equals 90.
$90 total?
A lot of money.
Investment. You'll wear these many times.
Is there a discount?
Is there a sale?
Yes, 10% off. That saves me $9.
Better than nothing.
Listeners, is $90 expensive or cheap in your country?
We bought everything.
Let's describe your look.
Navy blue striped shirt, size medium.
Black jeans, regular fit.
Black leather belt.
White sneakers.
I feel stylish.
Clothes change how you feel.
Thanks for helping me.
You're welcome. Let's go to the party.
Let's play this or that.
I love games.
Hoodie or jacket?
Hoodie.
Jacket.
Dress or skirt.
I don't wear those, but dress looks elegant.
I prefer a skirt with a top.
Bright colors or dark colors?
Bright.
Dark.
Shopping online or in a store?
Store.
Online for me.
Friends, vote now.
Busy day, Leo.
Yes, but now I have great clothes.
Remember the vocabulary. Size, fit, try on, wear.
Practice when you get dressed.
Today I am wearing a red shirt.
Today, I am putting on my socks.
Simple practice is best.
Like and share.
Tell us your favorite clothing.
See you next time.
Goodbye.